Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat ng Cancer. Welcome back at sa mga bago. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love, love, love sa inyong Tagalog. Love, love, love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so para sa Cancer Collective, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay inyong weekly love reading for February 16 to 22. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano ba yung um, mga kaganapan. Okay? Sige. Habang binabalasa ko tong cards, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng um, Cancer na sumusubaybay at sumusuporta sa channel kong ito. So, thank you, thank you, thank you. At sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing to this channel, by liking this video, at by sharing this. And lalo na kung nag-resonate to, comment kayo sa baba. Okay, tingnan natin yung overall energy. Second card for February, beauty. So, there's so much beauty in this connection na kailangan nyo makita. Minsan kasi, di ba, parang hindi natin, parang we're looking for something more or something na parang wala pa at the moment at na hindi natin nakikita yung what's good and what's beautiful in the current relationship. Sige, tingnan natin yung detalye nung reading na to. Okay, bakit nawala si beauty? Okay. So, sana mag-resonate itong reading na to. Okay. And since this is a collective reading, this may or may not resonate sa inyo. So, kung hindi, huwag pilitin. It means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. Okay? So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kaya, subscribe na para updated kayo. Okay? Sige, tignan natin itong beauty na to. May beast bang lalabas? Charot. So, tingnan natin. Kung malay nyo, that beast is the Prince Charming na kailangan nyo lang mahalin para maging isang Prince Charming, di ba? Okay, second card, the Hermit. 8 of Coins, 7 of Wands, Knight of Cups, King of Swords, Judgment, 2 of Wands, 5 of Wands, Justice, and Knight of Swords. Okay. Sige. Tingnan natin. And i-relate natin siya sa overall energy of beauty. Okay. So it started with the Hermit, ended with the Knight of Swords. So there's a strong energy of Virgo and Libra and Scorpio in this reading. Pwedeng yun yung signs ng person ninyo but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasayap for this specific reading. Okay. So, I can sense na at the moment there's a time of reflection between the two of you. Yung parang nag-seek muna kayo ng space sa isa't isa para pagnilay-nilayan ang sitwasyon. Okay. And ano ba yung and saan ba siya nakakabit, which is 8 of Coins. So kasi yung kailangan yung parang yung gusto nyong pag-isipan at the moment at upuan individually. Okay? So this is a card of parang solitude yun kasi. So individually gusto nyo mag-reflect about the commitment na nagaganap sa relasyon ninyo. Okay? And because this is a card of commitment. So, and as shown here with the 7 of Wands, may ma-overcome nyo naman to. Seven of Wands is overcoming challenges. So, if the challenge is the commitment and kailangan nyo na siyang parang dumating na sa point na, teka nga, gusto ko pa ba mag-commit or not? Sige. Nilay-nilayin muna natin. Parang ganun. Parang meron kayong agreement to do that. That's why you're both of you ask for space. But ma-overcome nyo rin siya. And as shown here with the Knight of Cups, you are moving forward together, to each other pala. So, alam mo yun, parang there's, from the space, okay, so you're moving back to each other and mapapag-usapan na ninyo or nagkakaroon na ng parang agreement to, okay, let's move to the next phase or next level of this relationship, which is the commitment that you're wanting, that you both want. So, and as shown here with the King of Swords, wherein there will be some sense of maturity, lalo na pagdating sa, yun nga, parang napag-isipan nyo na siya, and nakapag-desisyon nyo na kayo, and you will communicate this, as shown here with the King of Swords, which is taking action, lalo na when it comes to your thoughts, and how you will communicate your thoughts. And ito si Judgment card, there will be decision na mangyayari, which is a decision to choose each other. Okay? As shown here also with the Two of Wands. Itong dalawang card na to is pareho yung energy na meron sila, which is card of making the right decision and making a decision based on both kung ano yung desires ninyo, yung kagustuhan nyo. So, isang desisyon sa kagustuhan nyo. And mare-resolve yung any conflict, diba? Any conflict sa relationship, mare-resolve siya kasi, yan, medyo nakakabit siya with Justice card. So, any conflict, magkakaroon ng resolution, everything will fall into place, magiging harmonious na yung relationship ninyo, and both of you will have a sense of accountability dun sa roles ninyo sa relationship. Okay? And yeah, napakaganda kasi at the end, it would be magiging assertive. I mean, Knight of Swords is being assertive or being really committed to what you both want in the relationship, and this is the beauty of it. O diba, talaga naipasa ko yung beauty, pero hindi, diba maganda naman yung reading, and that's the beauty pagdating sa pag-ibig. Whatever challenges that you have, maayos nyo siya, lalo na kung gugustuhin nyo. And yeah, so very beautiful naman tong reading na to. Pero sige, let's clarify ano yung possible conflict that may arise, kasi medyo nasa latter part siya nung spread. So tingnan lang natin ano ba yung conflict or challenges na eventually ma-overcome. Just a guidance lang, diba? Second card. Two of Pentacles. Okay? So, si Two of Pentacles or Two of Coins is yung priorities. May mga priorities lang kayo in life na medyo kailangan yung i-balance, pagtuunan ng pansin. Okay? And once na ma-resolve nyo yun, yung pag-balance ng mga priorities, everything will be aligned, and justice is a card of balance. Okay? So, mangyayari siya. Magiging balance din yan, yung mga priorities ninyo. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate. Napakaganda naman ng reading. Wala namang other need na i-clarify. So, kaya ang gagawin ko ay to end this reading with another card to seal this energy. Second card, elegance. O, di ba? Beauty and elegance. So, very similar energies din naman yung cards na to, that parang sinasabi lang din is to find the beauty in this relationship, because there's so much, alam mo yun, yung pag sinabi mong elegance, di ba, pag nakita mo pa lang, parang based pa lang sa how yung person portray nabalal pa himself or herself, malalaman nyo na ay very parang from inside out nag-emanate siya, kasi nga alam mo yun, how she dress is a manifestation of the good personality or good energy or good vibes din sa person. So, yun. Tingnan nyo lang yung good vibes from this connection. Ayun. So, sana nag-resonate. Comment below, elegance and beauty, to claim this energy. And kita-kits muli sa susunod pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala muli si Mystico Moreno. In short, mismo. Ingat!